Hello guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's see in this video tutorial how to use your iPhone device as a webcam on your PC or laptop. So for it guys, what you have to do, see simply it's a very clear and of course anything you can record here. So see guys, that you would like to record, and on your computer it will reflect your directly broadcast, and this one of course you can with audio quality also guys here. So in this video tutorial, let's see now how you will do it. So for it guys, just at the moment I'm going to disconnect it by just stopping. Now see, simply you need to install this one reflector tool, and after reflector installation in your computer or PC or laptops, directly you need to go for run as an administrator. So it will open like that. Then simply you need to come in a screen mirroring, and of course you need to click on here. So where is a screen mirroring? Now see that simply you have to here up, and you need to click on this here, this one. So you will get a screen mirroring option. So I would like to show you here once again. See the screen mirroring, there will be link. So this software will generate one passcode that you need to enter here. So after entering here the passcode, of course you will be on here. Now see, you can design according to your specialization, webcam. Yeah, of course model number here you can just to see. Now it's a silver, now it's a gold. So of course you can have as, and with the in this iPhone frame, of course you will be able to directly use as a webcam, as we know that sometimes laptop camera quality is not quite good. So in that situation, of course, we can utilize this webcam, we can chat, we can talk to anyone by using. And now see guys here, of course you can monitor, observe the smallest things also on your desktop. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Furthermore, any inquiry related to this software as well as this video tutorial, then of course please raise the query below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible according to your query guys. So this is all about in this video tutorial. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.